2009. Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Inside 20951A048 of ECE section. Today my topic is Wronskian differentiation. So let us first learn about the fundamental solutions of linear homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation is a differentiation of two variables x and y. Linearly is a one and two variables are two types. So let p and q be the continuous functions on an interval I equals to alpha comma beta, which could be anything, infinite number. For any function y that is twice differentiable on L, define the differentiable operator Ly. L of y equals to y double dash plus p of y dash plus q of y, where L of y be the fundamental solution and p comma q be the function, and y double dash derivates, y double dash is a derivation of y. So note that Ly is a function of I with output value of Ly of t, where y differentiation 2 times of t plus p of t into y dash of t plus q of t into y of t. T equals to t square, q of t equals to e to t, y of t equals to sin t, and I equals to limit 0, 2. L of y of t equals to minus of sin t plus t square into cos t plus 2 e 2t into sin t. Differential operator notation. In this section, we will discuss the second order linear homogeneous equation. We have learned the first thing, and the second order is L of y of t equals to 0. Then L of y equals to y double dash plus p of t into y dash plus q of t into y, where q is another variable with p, and y of t naught equals to y naught and y dash of t naught equals to y naught. We would like to know if there are solutions to this initial value problem, and if so, they are unique. Also, we would like to know what can be said about the form and structure of solutions that might be helpful in the solution of particular form. These questions are addressed in the theorem of this section. Hence, the theorem is if y1 and y2 are the solutions to an equation, then L of y is y double dash plus p of t into y dash plus q of t into y equals to 0. Then the linear combination is c1 of y1 plus c2 of y2 is also a solution, and the constants are c1 and c2. To prove this theorem, substitute c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2 in for y in the equation above, and use the fact that y1 and y2 are solutions. Thus, for any two solutions of y1 and y2, we can construct infinite family of solutions. Each of forms y equals to c1 plus y equals to c1 y1 plus c2 into y2. Can all solutions can be written this way, or do some solutions? Mira.
Go.
Then let us start about the Wronskian determination. Suppose y1 and y2 are the solutions to an equation L of y equals to y double dash plus p of t into y dash plus q of t into y equals to 0. Then according to the theorem we discussed, we know that y equals to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 is a solution to this equation. Next, find the coefficients such that y equals to c1 y1 plus c2 y2 satisfy the initial condition y of t equals to y naught. To do so, we need to solve the following equations: c1 y1 plus c2 y2 equals to y naught, and c1 of y dash into t naught plus c2 of y dash into t1 t naught equals to y naught. The Wronskian determination, by solving these equations, we obtain c1 equals to y naught y2 into t naught minus y naught dash into y2 into t naught by y1 into t naught into y dash 2 into t naught minus y dash 1 into t naught into y2 into t naught. Then C2 equals to minus of y naught y dash of 1 into t naught plus y naught dash of y1 into t naught by y1 t naught into y dash y2 dash into t naught minus y1 dash into t naught into y2 into t naught. In terms of determination, C1 equals to y naught y2 into t naught into y dash naught into y dash 2 into t naught by y1 t naught into y2 t naught into y1 dash t naught into y2 dash t naught. Then C2 equals to y1 t naught into y naught into y1 dash t naught into y naught t naught. Y1 t naught into y1 t naught into y2 into t naught into y1 dash into t naught into y2 dash into t naught. The Wronskian determination. In order of these formulas to be valid, the determinant W in the denominator cannot be 0. W cannot be 0. C1 equals to y1 y dash naught y2 into t naught y2 by W. W equals to y1 t naught and y1 dash t naught y2 t naught y2 dash t naught into is a determination and y1 t naught into y2 dash t naught minus of y dash y1 dash t naught into y2 of t naught. Hence W is called the Wronskian determination, or more simply the Wronskian of the solution y1 and y2. We will sometimes use the notation W of y1 comma y2 into t naught.